So I woke up this morning thinking of what to do to spark Jesus' joy. In this life, the person that said destiny can be delayed but not denied, the person did not tell a single lie. See, as the sun is sunny. What do you do on days when you feel like doing something to spark joy? I woke up with the need to do a COVID test today because I've been in contact with people who have COVID. My skin is popping. Actually not, my skin has been breaking out, guys. I said let me join skincare gang go. Maybe I should have continued my style of no skincare, no products literally go on my skin. And then I said let me tap into skincare gang last year, and that's how my skin started breaking out. Anyways guys, this should be the intro for this video. So if this is your first time on my channel, hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Faith and this is my YouTube channel, Shefira. Faith, British people have told me that I'm pronouncing my name wrongly. There's a TH at the end of the name, so it's actually Faith. The TH is not silent. It's actually been so long I've vlogged, and today I'm actually holding my vlogging kit, so it feels weird. Do you know the funniest thing is I've still not gotten a hold of filming in public. It's still like a big deal for me. I still get very shy trying to film in public. Anyways guys, today I woke up feeling like doing something to spark joy. I've been in my feelings very recently, and I just woke up this morning and I thought, what can we do to spark Jesus' joy today? So I decided that I'm going to do my nose piercing. I think I've never mentioned it before. I think I might have, but I've actually tried piercing my nose before. I did film a video for YouTube when I was piercing my nose, but I ended up never posting it, and that was in 2021. So, but I ended up never posting that video. Anyways, the nose piercing even kukuma closed that same day. It was like my parents' prayers for me not turning into a Omowobe was working. But today, like I said, I woke up being in the mood to do something to spark joy, and I thought to myself, why not just get a new piercing today? That's something exciting, is it not? I carried this jacket because I thought it was going to be cold. I thought it was going to be cold outside, but it's not. It's actually warm. So I'm going to get a nose piercing today. I'm excited, and I hope this time around the nose piercing does not end up closing up today. I'm also going makeup shopping, and I've run out of some makeup products, foundation and concealer. So yeah, that's what I'm about today. I hate the fact that every time that I'm walking and I'm trying to make a video, I feel like I'm panting, or that's my cue to start getting more physically active. But yeah guys, let's go get piercing done. Dreams are so new. They're looking for someone like you. Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget it. Guys, I'm going no more. I not pierce my nose. I chose the wrongest day to spark joy. I chose the wrong day to spark joy. I got here and they said that today is actually Saturday. So they said their piercers are not around. I'll have to come back on a weekday. So I have to come back on Monday. And I'm busy Monday, Tuesday, so we'll see how Wednesday goes. I have an appointment for Wednesday for something else, but I'm going to see if I can come back and branch this place before going for my appointment or after my appointment. But I wasn't able to pierce my nose today. Fingers crossed, we'll try another time. Hi guys, it's Wednesday morning, and it's Wednesday. Today is the day I am going back for my nose piercing. Hopefully they are in today. I'm not booking any appointment. I'm not called in this morning to book for an appointment, so I'm going to be doing a walk-in service. So I'm really hoping that they are in today, because I don't want to go there and have a repeat of what happened on Saturday. But just before I go, I had a need to do a COVID test this morning because I've been feeling some type of way, and in the last 10 to 14 days I've been in contact with people that have tested positive for COVID. At least 7 or 8 people that have tested positive for COVID, and even though the symptoms I have is kind of like flu symptoms, like a fever symptoms, I still just feel like I need to be a responsible adult and do a COVID test. So I'm going to be doing a COVID test this morning just before I go in for my nose piercing. Obviously, if I test positive, I would not be doing the piercing anyways, but I just need to do this COVID test this morning. So let's get to it. This is the part I hate. Loading. I'm doing it as if it's pregnancy test. It's not pregnancy test. So the test is negative, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's negative. So I'm COVID free. It's just a fever. I've been having very itchy eyes, blocked nose, and I've been sneezing badly. I knew it was symptoms for a fever, but like I said, I just wanted to be a responsible adult and do the COVID test, especially for the fact that I've been in contact with so many people who've tested positive for COVID. So anyways, thank God it's negative. I think it's about 10:30 a.m. now. Last time I checked, it was like around that time. I've got an appointment somewhere else for 2:15, and I really just want to come back home and sleep after that. So my intent is to get ready and leave the house any moment from now and go get my piercing done, so that I'll be right on time for my next appointment. That's it, guys. I will see you when I'm piercing my nose. Hopefully, like I said earlier, I'm able to meet these guys today, because if they're not there today, that means my parents are really praying hard for me to not be omowobe. For me to not make bad decisions. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Going to believe I've gone to the piercing shop. So I was hoping to pierce my nose at Superdrug shop. My hair is scattered, and I've gone there, and I got there about 12, and they told me to come back, that the person is on break, so I should come back in 30 minutes. I went back by 12:40. I went about buying things that I don't even need. I got back by 12:40, and they're like, there's nobody for piercing today. And I said, but you literally just told me 30 minutes ago, I mean 40 minutes ago, that I should come back, that the person is on break. She said she thought she heard brows, that she thought she heard them. I said brows, so that there's nobody for piercing today. But this piercing, if I don't do it today, I know I would definitely lose interest, right? And I feel like it's because I already started a video for it. I am just gingered to go with the flow. I've gone to Claire's, and Claire's is another shop that specializes in nose piercing as well, or piercing in general. And they've just told me they cannot pierce my nose. Something about my nose is narrow. I never knew I had narrow nose until today. My nose is narrow, and if they pierce it, it's going to keep popping out. I think that's probably what happened with the first piercing that I did, because it just kept popping out that day until it finally fell off. So they recommended somewhere else for me to go, and that's where I'm going now. I just hope that at the end of the day, I am not late for my appointment that I have by 2 today, or I don't get to. They've recommended the metal guru. I hope that I don't get there and then they told me they can't do it again, because at this point I'm literally tired of stories. But let's see how it goes. Leave that off me now and then we'll turn it on again. Right, that's the size of the smallest, they're the 2.5, so they're not quite small. I'm finally doing this after days of going about and not getting it done. I'm finally here now. In this life, the person that said destiny can be delayed but not denied, the person did not tell a single lie. After all the delays, guys, I ended up not even doing this piercing on Wednesday. I got to the nail tag guru and they told me I needed to book an appointment, and I was just fed up at that point. And I did book an appointment for today, but I went home that day without doing the piercing still. I've just got here today and I've managed to do that. We had a needle piercing and that went by quick. It was just a single sharp pain and that was it. It looks good. I look different. I've always wanted a nose piercing. I've done one before, but it closed that same day, and now I finally got a nose piercing. Hopefully this one doesn't close off today, fingers crossed. Their customer service was delicious. They were very, very nice. I had to sign a consent form before, and I was also provided with an aftercare form after my piercing. But this is nice. I look good, guys, and I love my piercing. I finally did it. Again, delay no be denier, period. All right, guys, this is probably where we end this video or not. I might combine this with another video, but if I don't, then this is it for this video. Thank you for making this bad decision with me. You guys we are partners in crime by watching this video. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. What do you do on days when you feel like doing something to spark joy? Do you make this kind of huge decisions like I just did, or do you just go out for ice cream, chat with some friends? What do you do really on days when you feel like sparking joy? For me, I make decisions like this. All right, guys, bye. See you in my next video.